Introduction. What is binary option? And then I request you, and then we focus on how US binary option works, so that you understand what is binary option and how the binary option works, so that you know what the basics are. Then I discuss the main point that everyone thinks about whenever they hear the word binary option. That is binary trading gambling? Is it? That's the answer. Normal options versus binary options. What's the major difference? What makes binary options so special? Then I discuss binary option regulated brokers, so that you as the investor should know which brokers to choose from. Don't choose an unregulated broker because he is unregulated and he can cause you more harm than the markets. Then the most important lecture, when to trade binary options, Bitcoin binary option, because there are some times of the day that makes like the more powerful trade, and at other times it's far weaker. At what times can you expect more selling, and at what time can you expect a smooth market? Then we discuss the Terminator strategy, and before that I discussed the introduction to the Japanese candlestick chart. And what is Terminator strategy? Terminator strategy in detail. Then Terminator strategy 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 5 minutes, and trends in detail. Then we go into the details. Example, the fees, what Nadex offers. Bitcoin binary option details, so that you know all the details and different types of binary options. Then we move to Nadex overview and Nadex demo account. Demo account will help you trade the strategy and understand before investing the real money. Then we move to binary option time frames and how to complete the trade before expiry, because that's important. You should know when you are in profit how to exit the trade and how to place order on Nadex, and understanding Bitcoin binary option pricing. Now that's the newest method that Nadex will be launching soon, so you should understand that, and that's the reason it is brought on the end of the course. Then there is the live trade, and I will be adding a monthly lecture on what the Bitcoin price is telling us, if it is going up or down, so that you can trade accordingly. And in the bonus lecture, you will find unbelievable discounted courses of mine. I have got 55 courses as of now, and I offer them, all of them, here at unbelievable discounted courses. But they do change. So if you are not seeing discounted courses, then it's not there. And then disclaimer, and thank you for taking this course.